Hi guys, my name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome back to today's episode. In case you are new to this channel, karibu sana. We love visitors. Yes, in case you are asking, yeah, this is not my house. I'm in someone else's house, and with their permission, they have allowed me to do a marikiti haul since they had sent me to the market. So I'm going to give you a price of everything, and I think I had done a mini haul in my a previous video which I uploaded on Tuesday. So in case you have not watched, please make sure you watch that video before you come to this one. In the previous video we only bought a few items, but in today's video it's an exclusive grocery haul of the Marikiti market. Yeah, so I'm going to give you a haul of everything I was able to get, and I will also indicate the prices of what I can remember. Thereafter, I'm going to also help organize the fridge because I need to put all these things in the fridge for whoever had sent me before we can wind up on the video. So make sure you watch to the end. And I told you in the previous video that Marikiti is the place to be. Yeah, please run there in case you need good items, but make sure you are in the right attire, that is the gumboots, because it's a bit muddy. Yeah, so let's do the haul before anything else. Yeah, in case you realize some bad lighting, I'm sorry, not intentional. This is not my place. So let's do the haul, guys. So the things are a bit tricky, and then the best thing with Marikiti is that they normally help you to just organize your things properly in paper. So uh, that is the best thing with them, but you can also carry your papers. So the first thing I got are these pieces of cucumber, and they are very big. And in Marikiti, we know they normally sell everything in kilograms. So I had written the prices down. Allow me to give you the prices. For the cucumber, I'm not sure of the prices, but here they are. I think I didn't write that down. So you can see how fresh they are, and they are quite big and healthy. So the other items I got are these fruits. Yeah, these ones we are going a kilogram at 200 shillings. Yeah. So the other thing are these pieces of courgette. For the courgette and the cucumber, I can't remember the prices, but I know I got them from one person. So you can see they are also looking very, very fresh. So the other thing I got are beans, and they are not I've not removed them from the pots because that is what my client wanted. So they are, these ones we are going for a kilogram at 130 shillings. That is very fair. The other thing I got are passion fruits. Let me confirm the price. Passion fruits 250 per kg, and they are also very fresh. I'm going to show you everything after I finish the haul. I'll show you everything at a closer view. So the other thing I got are these big tomatoes, and today they were a bit cheaper. Let me confirm, the tomatoes were pricing at 70 shillings. Today they are bigger and better. You can see, I'm going to show you too. So I also got this beautiful capsicum at 200 per kg, and hizi zimepanda kidogo. So the yellow, red, yeah, these ones 200 per kg. But it's still fair because in normal prices, most of the places they normally sell at about 50 per piece. So that's a bit fair. Not a bit, it's very fair. So I also got the green ones at told you the best thing about Marikiti Market is that they sell very quality items. So these ones we are going at 70 shillings. You can see how beautiful they look. 70 per kg. If I mention a price, know that it's a per kg. So the other thing I got are oranges and avocados. And these ones we are selling at about 15 shillings. Yeah, you can see how good they look. I think it's avocado season. Yeah, so that's the oranges and the onion and the avocados. The other thing I got are these carrots, and carrots were selling at 100 per kg, and they are looking so good. You will see them also. Very fresh, guys. So the other thing I got are lemons, and I don't think I removed them because I don't have the space left. And let me confirm the price. Yeah, 80 per kg. Very fair because of the size, and they are quite many. All these are lemon. And guys, the mother of all, very expensive, peas. Peas ni minji. And I had to get those ones that were zenye zimetolewa maganda, and these ones we are going at 500 a kg. Guys, where did you hear that? Where? And you can see the amount. Just look at the amount. That is a kg, but they are fresh but very expensive. 500 a kg, guys. So that is everything I got from Marikiti. I think you can comment below. How do you feel the prices? Are they fair? For me, they are 100% fair. I think I mentioned in my previous video that I cannot compare the prices to Githurai market, and the quality of the items is everything for me. So let me show you just a closer view of everything. Then I will help organize in the fridge, and we are going to do this together with you guys. So this is everything. We start with the fruits here, then the cucumber, the courgette here, the carrots here, and you can see how fresh everything looks. Then I have the capsicum here, the red and the yellow. I also have the green one here, my beans here. I also have these passion fruits there. My other fruits here, these are avocados, and they are not ripe, but they are going to ripen. And oranges there. I have the mother of all the peas here, a kg for 500. I've still not forgotten that. Then I have the tomatoes here, and you can see the size. And I think down here I have this. These are what do we call them? Lemon. So that is everything. And guys, I will also clean this. Yeah, that is what we are going to do next. Let's clean up before we can organize everything. We are going to clean what is supposed to be cleaned. I'm not going to clean the avocados because I might slow the ripening process. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. Guys, I forgot to show you this broccoli and the what do we call this, and the purpose, because I think I had placed them separately because they are quite delicate while carrying. Yeah, you can see how beautiful they look. Yeah, those are also other things that I did buy. So that is how they look, and I'm not going to wash them. I'm not going to wash the broccoli because I don't know how to. Yeah, I'll just store them as they are because I have never cooked them in my house and I don't want them to get destroyed. So I'll just allow me just to store them this way. Yeah, and if there is any other way, if you clean them before storing, please let me know in the comment section, because of maybe the next time I get to buy for someone, or if I get to buy for myself in the house.
I am happy on this island. Wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean. Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow.
I didn't have enough time to wait for everything to dry up, and I decided to make work easier by just wiping everything. And at some point I had to come in with a kitchen towel first because they were a bit watery, so I wiped with the towel first, then I came in with the kitchen paper towel to just dry up everything completely. So in case you are used to washing items before storing in the fridge, just make sure you store them while dry so that they can have a longer life in the fridge. So I did this, and after I was done, I just stored everything in these zip bags that you can see on top of that tank. Yeah, and you are going to see everything at the end of the video. So I had to wipe everything, or rather most of the things off camera because they were so many, and at some point I had to leave some, like those passion fruits and the yellow fruits, because they take longer to dry up because of the stock, and I found it a bit tasking to just wipe one by one, yet they were very, very many. Yeah, guys, so in case you are watching me for the first time, welcome to this platform. Here we do a lot of cleaning videos, homemaking content, and a little bit of cooking, and of course everything around home for us is content. In this channel you are also going to get hauls and makeovers, of course, when we have the money to do that. I also want to thank all my returnees and Premier Gang. Thank you for always finding the time to just come and catch up with my content. May God bless you abundantly. By the way, this is one of my subscribers who had sent me to the market, and thank you very much for just trusting that I will get the best thing for you from the market. Yeah, may God bless you. And I think this is a good business idea, and for that reason, if you need anything around Thika Road, anything in the market, you can always send me. And I want to restrict this to Thika Road because of the transport. Transporting some of these items is quite tedious and even delicate, because some things like tomatoes and any other thing that is delicate could be a struggle because I don't have a car. Yeah, you can always send me to the market, of course, at a very, very friendly fee. Yeah, and then if you need the extra services like storing and anything, I will give them to you. At some point I had to go extra because these things were too much, and I wanted total satisfaction for whoever had sent me. Yeah, may God bless you. You're going to see everything I had to do, because I did quite a lot. Yeah, so if you need anything, just contact me, and restricting this to Thika Road, because of transport issues. This is one of the extra services I offered because this is a very, very busy person, and I just decided to leave everything boiling, the peas and the beans. Yeah, then they would store them by themselves once they were cool. So that was it with this video. Make sure you leave a comment, like and share if possible, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Bye bye, and let me see you in my next one.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it.